Hi everyone, in this video I wanna show you how to do right leveling. So I'm removing old floating floor, and I found under the underlay sand. This is a very budget leveling what guys did. So they put on low spot sand with straight edge, they just make it flat and then install floor. Next few minutes I wanna show you how to make right leveling with right tools and match the height the floor with tiles. Let's go. I'm going to level this room. This room is 320 square feet and I have to put around 21 bags to match the height of the laminate floor. You see this laminate floor. With this tile. So first of all, I'm going to remove this paint. Let's go. For grinding, I'm using DeWalt angle grinder with shroud, has a shroud 5-inch and turbo blade 5-inch. Also, I need a air system cyclone and vacuum. So this is what we need. In the description of this video you will find links for all tools I was using in this project. Less than 10 minutes and I already grind. I'm lucky. This is concrete is really soft, easy to remove whole paint. Next step, insulate the baseboards, because under the baseboard we have some cracks. You see like this, and we have to avoid leaks. Self-leveling compound. It's not a problem because it's ground floor, but we can lost a lot of self-leveling compound when it's leaked down under the slab. So I will install laminate flooring, this laminate flooring, you see, with underlay, and to match the height I just put sand, and you see, now it's fine. So this is height what I need. Then I will take tripod and put tripod here. Need to move a little bit. Okay, like this. There is the sand. Okay, and I mark legs. One this, one here. Okay, so this is 1 point. I already installed foam everywhere. Do you want any leaks? See, everywhere. Put calc on the bottom. Now I'm going to put primer. Primer is very important because it helps better bonding all concrete slab with new self-leveling compound. Don't forget, do it. I already finished primer application. When it's primer dry, I found the high spot for laser and match the laser line with tripod bottom plate. So now I can install tripods around whole room. You can make it very simple because we already have horizontal line from the laser around all room. You just need to put tripods around all room, on the middle also. Just match the bottom plate each tripod with bottom laser line. You see, so very simple work. Just when we install these tripods, we will have exactly height from each point, how many self-leveling compound we have to put. Here is how it should be looks like. You see some tripods central bolt very close to the ground. You see some it's like 3/4 inch, some half inch. So this is why we need tripods, because with ice it's hard to make level. See? So I prepare place for cleaning tools. There is 6, here is 15 bags, so approximately 21. So here is around 40 tripods. You see? Easy. Now primer, foam, silicone, all cracks is sealed. You see? Here is was crack, I seal it. So now we are ready to start leveling. For mixing self-leveling compound, I'm using barrel. In this barrel I can mix in one shot 3 bags. So it's pretty fast. By the end of this project I used 18 bags of self-leveling compound. I guessing like around 20, but a little bit less, it's fine. My eyes is really pretty sharp. This barrel helped me do this job fast, and during my work, this self-leveling compound not drying before I finished. In next video I will show you how this subfloor matched height with when I install a laminate floor matched with tile. Now I can show you because I just finished yesterday afternoon. I hope this video was helpful for you. Now you see the difference between if you doing leveling with just put sand under the floor, or you can make a perfect level with self-leveling tripods and compound, self-leveling compound. If you have any questions, don't hesitate, ask me, I always answer you. See you on next video.